This is AMS Protractor Tips and Tricks. In this video, we are going to talk about the amazing past services feature you can use when adding jobs to a vehicle's ticket. It is very similar to adding a job like you're used to. In fact, the process is almost identical. Whether you've just started a new work order or are adding services to an existing one, you start by searching in the code or title box. In this example, I am searching for oil because the customer wants to add an oil change to the ticket. If you have performed this service on this specific vehicle before, it will pop up as a past service. Not only does it tell you when you performed the service, but it also saves all of the part and labor information. If I double-click the job under the past services folder, it will add all of that information and the job to the ticket. It will automatically link the labor and pull the oil from inventory. Over time, with more returning customers and past services, you will be able to spend less time writing their ticket and more time building a good relationship with your regulars.